In this video, I'll be guiding you on how you can sign up for the TikTok Ad Manager account from anywhere outside the United States, maybe in Nigeria or in any other part of the world, and start running TikTok ad from anywhere you are. We are going to be doing this with the Android mobile phone. So the first thing to do is to go to your Play Store and download Epic Browser. So I go to my Play Store. I've already downloaded it, but to show you what it looks like, I go to here, type Epic Browser. Now Epic Browser comes with a VPN. Now this one is already installed, but let me click on it so you see Epic Privacy Browser with VPN. So I click on open. In your own case, you have to install. After you install, then you can open. Now when it opens, usually the first interface will look like this. Now there is a faint area at the top where it says mobile extension. Click on it. And when you click on it, you'll see the option. The first option is AdBlock. The second option is Prozee, and that's where we have the VPN. Click on install. It's in green. Click on it. Now step back after you've installed it. So I step back. Then now you can see enable Prozee. Turn it on. Now you can click on the arrow button where it says UK. Already has picked UK. In case you don't want UK, you can search for any other country that is available. Okay, but I like it to be in UK. With that, my location, IP location is already set as to be in UK. So if I ask now where is my IP location, let me see what it will show me. IP location, I hope it shows me exactly where I am. The UK. So let's scroll down. Okay, can you see here IP location London, England? Okay, so our IP address is already in the UK. So let's type TikTok Ad Manager. Okay, we want to sign up to TikTok Ad. So when you go to Google search, type TikTok Ad Manager, then this option that says TikTok for Business, Marketing and Advertising on TikTok. Click on that option. It should open to the website where we'll begin to log in. Okay, this one directly says to log in, but we don't have account yet, so we can't log in. Okay, so another interface might present to ask you to create or start now. Let me see if we can adjust this so that you see that in case your own shows that way. Okay, I want to clear up till I get here, so we'll see how it looks in the real sense, so you don't miss out on anything. So normally it shows like this. Okay, now you can click on get started here, but normally I would like to go to this drop down menu, the three lines you see up here, top right. Click on it, then scroll down and you see get started, then log in, but we'll take or click on get started. Having clicked on get started, you allow it to load. When it has finished loading, enter your email. In my own case, I've entered an email of mine. Then put your password. Enter your password. I've entered mine. Then by default, it will be this option, subscribe to email, but I wouldn't want that. I'll just take the first option, which is by clicking here, you agree, yes. Then click on sign up. Now, it wants to verify whether you are a human being. So here it says select two objects that are same shape. So what are the two objects that are same shapes here? This one and this one, they are same shapes. Okay, so confirm. So we've been confirmed. So an email has been sent to me. So I will go and pick the code sent to me via email. So let me go check and pick it up. So I'm checking my email now. I've not seen it yet, but I will have to refresh my email so I can pick the code, one-time code they will send me so that I can finalize my sign-up process. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, I've seen the email they sent. I'll copy it at once and go paste. So I copy it. So once they send you code, don't delay. I want to paste it here. Yeah, he has already accepted that. Already accepted that. So here now I'll fill in my company name. Let me put that 10th generation. Generations. That's what I want to put. Then URL optional, so forget that one. Industry. I want to put services. Under services, I want to select advertising and PR services. See the one I selected, confirm. Then scroll down. It's already saying that I'm in United Kingdom. Let me change this to USSD. That's the currency I want to operate with, and confirm. Now here you can just pick any number. Let me search for any number, UK number, and use for this. They're asking us to put a phone number. They are not going to be sending us any code. So let me type free UK phone number. And we find anyone. Let's check here. Free UK phone number. Okay, let me just copy this one. Of course, you know you will not copy everything. You just click here. You will not copy the first code. That's the first the country code. So you just copy the from here from 7 something. So I copy it. I will turn to my Epic browser and then I'll add it here. Click enter a valid phone number. Yeah, this should be valid. Let me see. Okay, there was a gap in that number, so let me clear the gap. I'll paste it again and come here. I can see a gap here. Yes, I've closed up the gap. Then click on this and confirm. Wow, so the account has been curated. It says review and accept. Yes, you just click on accept. Our account has been created. Now we are not running ad yet. It's already asking to start running ad, but not yet. Okay, so we can always sign in to start running ad. So we'll do another video on how you can run ad on TikTok or TikTok ad from anywhere outside the United States or within the United States. Okay, so this video is basically on how you can create a TikTok ad manager account from anywhere outside of the United States using your Android mobile phone. So you can simply click on exit up here to see the interface of your ad manager. I've clicked on that. So can you see TikTok ad manager? You can take your time, go through here. If you click here, the center where you have the red, it returns you to where you can start creating ad, whether it's traffic ad or community interaction, lead generation. Okay, but let me exit here for now. You can also use your PC or laptop to see the full version of this TikTok ad manager area. Okay, so that you can make do with the buttons and other features that might not be very visible using the mobile view. Before you go, there are other interesting videos on this channel that can help you to leverage profit making in any industry or niche that you are. Do well to subscribe.